Hi, this is Mrs. Camp, and we are going to go through signing in and using Flocabulary. So I'm going to talk about going to Google Classroom, linking to Flocabulary, signing in, watching videos, vocab game, and the Lyric Lab, because some students have some trouble understanding the format and how to do the Lyric Lab. So first thing, we're going to look at Google Classroom. You'll find your assignment, you'll find a link. Follow the link. It will bring you either to a page that has you sign in and go directly to your assignment or to this page. If you get to this page, then what you want to do is you want to log in here, and you're going to use your login with Google. Okay, that is how you're going to log in. It will log in with your GP apps. You are already added to one of my classes, so when you log in, it will know what class you're in and it will bring you there. So you're logged in, and here we have the page that it will bring you to. You can see on the right that it's got some of your assignments, and at the top you'll see there's a drop-down menu for assignments, and when you click on it and drop down, it will show you some of your assignments. But what you actually want to do is go to the See All assignments, and that's what we're going to look through right now. So See All assignments, these are the ones that are still due. They do not have due dates that have passed. You can still do them. These are the ones that if you go in, you can save and submit, and I will get your work. However, once it is past the due date, you can no longer do it. So pay attention to the due date I give you on Google Classroom, because what I do here is that I don't give it a due date until the end of the term, and then after that you can't do it anymore. So that's the overdue. If you click on the overdue, you'll see this one here, they did nothing. Okay, these little circles are the parts that are assigned, and if they're yellow, that means you did not do. However, anything that's got that green arrow there, you did that. Okay, so they did part of this. Why isn't it in the done? Because there are two parts that they did not do. They did not do the vocab cards, they did not do the Lyric Lab. So they can go ahead and review what they've submitted, look at the lesson, you can actually do the lesson, but you can't submit it. I will not get your work. And the other tab of the assignment page is the items that are done. You can see on this one, both activities that were assigned are completed. And so this one, the student does not need to touch anymore. So when you're going to the assignments, the first thing that you'll do is watch a video. So you click on your assignment, you have an assignment, here's the video. You go ahead and you start it and you play it. Note down here at the bottom, there's a place where it says lyrics. If you click on that, it will turn the video into volume only, and it will show you all of the lyrics. To get back to the video, you just click on video again. If you look at these, you'll note that here, that's yellow. Here, that's got the yellow dot. Those are the activities that are assigned to you. And this is the end of the video. You can watch it again. You can go back and do the lyrics at this point, or you can simply go on to your next part of your assignment. So one of the assignments that I frequently give is the vocabulary game. Here, you're going to build a beat that you can then play, or you can choose play without music. What you're doing here, there are different types of questions. Drag the right word to the words that mean the same thing. So that's a synonym. And we see this had microbe, virus, and bacteria. And we know that germ refers to all of those things. So we simply dragged germ onto that. This one, again, drag onto. This is fill in the blank. What makes sense here? Does the soap create essential? Does the soap create germ? No, it creates a lather. There are also antonym questions. So you'll go through and you'll answer the different questions. That's the game. And at the end, we'll show you how many you got right, and you can always go back and review your answers, especially if you get like 2 out of 6, go back and look at it. Okay, go back and look at it and see what it is that you got wrong so that you can learn. Lyric Lab, this is the one people get a little confused on, so I want to go through it. What it's having you do is to create you can think of it as a song or song lyrics or a poem, however you think about it. And you have to use vocab words. You are always required to write at least 4 lines. Sometimes I will have the prompt say use as many of the vocab words as you can or use all of the vocab words, but it will be very clear what you do. Here you see they've got step 1 here, and then you simply type in here. Type here your first line. We have our list of vocab words over here. And so after you type a line, it'll take you to the next line. When you use a vocab word, it highlights it and then highlights it over here so you can tell you do it. If you don't know what a word means, you can click on it and it will give you the definition. Okay. Also, once you're at the end of a line that is the first in a rhyming couplet, it will prompt you with suggestions for rhymes. Okay, so here I actually was right here. It was looking for a rhyme for think, and so I could use shrink, blink, wink. There's more that you can't see, or you can use another line. This is asking for you to rhyme. If you decide to have 2 lines in the middle that don't rhyme for effect, it's a poem. Think of it that way. You can take some liberties. What I want to see is that you can create something original using those vocabulary words. Okay, if you have any questions, please ask me, contact me. Hopefully this will do a good job of getting you through your vocabulary assignments.